Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to use stackable pot-in-pot method in your electric pressure cooker to cook rice and dal together. Basically, cooking multiple recipes at once using your electric pressure cooker. First, I'm going to wash rice and dals really well. Alright, so I have washed rice and dal. Next, coming to the pressure cooker. First, use saute function. Here I have the saute function. Start. Heat up a tablespoon of oil into the kosori inner pot. Add dry whole red chilies, mustard seeds, rye, and let them crack. When the mustard seeds starts cracking, add cumin seeds, jeera, asafoetida, hing if available, turmeric powder, haldi, add lentils with water, add ginger, garlic, green chili paste, adrak, lasan, hari mirch, salt as per your taste, ground coriander, cumin powder, dhania jeera powder. Give it a quick stir and turn off the saute function now. If desired, saute onion and tomato before adding dal. And for 1 cup of mixed dal, I add about 2.5 cups of water. You can add water later if needed once the curry is done. If desired, you can add little bit of red chili powder as well. Give it a stir again and make sure you have enough water. Next, I'm going to place the trivet inside and place rice pot inside the rice pot. Add salt as per your taste. And for 1 cup of rice, I'm going to take 2.5 cups of water. Half cup of more water. Ready to cover. And now I'm going to use soup function. You can use even multi-grain, but then you have to increase the time for up to 20 minutes. So adjust. So that's 20 minutes, and I think I'm just going to use for 20 minutes and then start. Be sure to have the whistle on a lock side. When the cooking is over, manually release the air, or you can let it release naturally. So, ready to open. Open carefully. Hopefully you can see rice. Carefully remove the rice pot and put it on a heat-proof surface. I'm going to cover to keep it warm. And let me show you dal. So remove the trivet. Give it a stir. And as you can see, dal is cooked nice. And the amount of water is just right as well. Garnish with coriander leaves. I have the rice ready, dal ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, cooking multiple recipes using your electric pressure cooker. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And please do visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Thanks for watching and see you soon.